Hey there, this is Dave, and in this video I am going to demonstrate for you the basic mobile demo machine. Okay, so what I want to do is first of all find a client. So if I just do a quick Google search on appliance repair, if I wanted to pick that niche, go ahead and do that, and then like the number one in my area right here in the organic is Alka Appliances, and they have a website that's not really working for them, and it's definitely not mobile. Okay, so what I've done is went ahead and grabbed a few images. Sometimes you can just grab them and drag them into a folder. Makes it easier. Sometimes like this logo here, if you call it a logo, it's not really a logo, but if I wanted to capture this as their logo, I would use a program called Jing. Let me show you how that works. Just go ahead and grab your logo, save it to whatever your desktop or a folder. And you can find that. Just do a search in Google for Jing. That's Jing. You can see it right here. All right, it's a free download, really easy to use. So that's what I use. So I grab all my images and I grab all my information off the site. And you can see that I've done that here. The address, I've got the phone number, and I've got the name of the business. Okay, it just makes things easier for me to have everything all laid out. So let's get started with the mobile demo machine. We'll go ahead and paste the name right in there. We'll go ahead and use that logo that I got using Jing. Then the images, the slider images. Now the thing with the slider images, they should all be the same size. So you're going to want to make sure you resize them. I use a tool called Snagit to resize all of my images. Just makes things really easy. All right. Now the YouTube ID. We have a default video in here, and this is the YouTube ID here, okay, for the video, and it's just a basic
People are
video.
using them to find and buy. It has thumb-friendly navigation.
Okay, it's a basic video about mobile marketing. So the ID is just this last string of characters right up here in the URL. So you just go ahead and make sure you put the ID and not the entire URL, because you don't need the entire URL, just the YouTube ID. So we're good there. And we have our tap to call number. So let's go ahead and put that in there. And I have my number here. There we go. And we'll go ahead and squeeze this in here a little more. Now we have our header color. Now remember, our header color is this blue. So I use a color picker. It's just a color picker from Firefox. It's a Firefox add-on. Makes it really easy just to match. So I'll go ahead and put that in there for the header color. The template button color, I try to match, the websites as best as I can. So I'll go ahead and put that light blue in there. Background color, might just go ahead and leave it white so that it's real clean. The content font, I will leave it black. And the footer color, maybe we'll go ahead, let's see, do we have a footer color? We'll just go ahead with this blue again. Alright, now we're going to hit create basic mobile demo sites. That's going to work its magic a little bit, and then now we have a link. We're going to download our demos. So that's just going to take just a few seconds depending on your internet access. And here we go, it's almost done. We'll go ahead and open that up. Now here's the folder with all of the demos. Okay, so I have a demo, or I have a folder with the information here for Alka Appliances. So what I normally do is I'll go ahead and make a new folder inside there, call it demos, open that up. Now inside here, I'm just going to go ahead and copy all of these files to my hard drive. And I'm just dumping my zip folder here that was created. I'm just putting all of those inside my Alka appliance folder, just so everything's all organized and ready to be uploaded to my server. Alright, so just depending on your system, and I've got the screen capture tool working right now, so my system's running a little bit slow. All right, so we got our demos. Now what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and move those up here, and I'll start opening these up so you can see what they look like. Okay, so these are the demos that I'm going to show the client. Pretty cool, right? That's the Bailey. We've got our button. Here's our button. We've got our clean. Go ahead and open up the clean template. Look at that. Really nice looking templates. All right, so you can see here that, with all these demo sites already created, we are ready to then upload those to our server. So that was a quick video on just creating our demos. In our next video, we'll show you how to get those uploaded to your server. That's the next step. And then, we can start showing those off to our clients. Take care.